What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything, guys, and welcome to Short Updates. This is either 1 year of reviewing the product or 1 year of ownership. The Hockey Net is a little bit over a year. I had not a good review on this. Guys, when I gave that bad review, it's not that I was downing the company. It's just that I did not have luck with the net. I ended up emailing the company, and they were going to make things right, but they wanted the net back, and I already fixated it to where we use it so it doesn't collapse. So I just want to let you guys know they were going to make it right, but I didn't feel like breaking the net down and shipping it back to them. I thanked them for that in the email, and hey, at least they were going to make it right. So 1 year update on that, guys. We still have the Hockey Net and we still use it. My kids use it daily. It's just I got bolts in the holes to fixate it so it doesn't collapse anymore. It's not that big of a deal. We got room to store it, so I'm not, no hard feelings for anyone there. But guys, those clips did break, so that's the only thing that I had negative to say about the net. Other than that, the net's solid and the pipes are solid. Everything's solid on that net except for those two little clips that popped out. So guys, that's it for this one here. If you did not see my review, it's a short one, and like I said, it was a negative review. It's in the description below. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you next time.